Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. First thing you want to do is go to your search menu and type in File Explorer Options. So you're looking for File Explorer Options. It's going to pop up here. You're going to go to View, and you want to make sure it's selected where it says Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply and press OK. Now you're going to go back to the search box and type in the word My. It's going to go to the PC, and then I want you to go to your C drive. Once you get inside, go to Users and click on your computer user name. And once you get inside, you're going to see kind of this semi-translucent app data folder. Go inside of there. Then you want to go into Local. Next, you want to go down to Packages. You could press P on your keyboard. It'll jump down to Packages, which is right here. Go inside that folder. Once you get there, you're going to see a lot of Microsoft folders. Just carefully scroll down till you see this one right here where it says Microsoft.MicrosoftEdge. I actually have more than one. So what you're going to actually do is you're going to see Microsoft Edge 8. This one says stable. You're going to take this one and you're going to just right click and press delete. All right, once you delete those files, I want you to go ahead and reset your computer real quick. And once you load back up, we'll continue. Now I want you, once you load back up, is to go to your start menu and type in Windows PowerShell. I want you to right click on it and run as admin. And you're going to be an administrator. It should say C drive Windows System 32. That lets you know that you're actually in the admin version of it. Next, I want you to actually type in or paste this command in. It's going to be in the description of this video. You're going to press Control V and paste it there. Then you're going to press Enter. It's going to deploy, so just give it a couple of seconds. And to confirm that everything worked, you should see Verbose operation completed. And you can go ahead and close out of PowerShell just to make sure you didn't mess it up. You can click your Microsoft Edge, and if it loads up and works, as you can see here, that means that everything was done correctly. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.